everyone, my name is Adrienne. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I make food related content here on YouTube. If you need dinner ideas and dinner motivation to cook for your family, hit that subscribe button. I got you covered. Today I am excited to be participating in an open collab hosted by Sarah at Sarah's Realm. This is a recipe swap and I am paired with Debbie Food Prepping. I will have Sarah's and Debbie's channels linked in my description box below, as well as a playlist. I am making Debbie's bacon wrapped meatloaf and summer spinach salad. Here is a look at the ingredients. I'm going to show you how I put it together. I'm going to start by soaking my bread in some chicken stock. Debbie used milk, but you can use whatever you have on hand. And then I will thinly dice this red onion and bell pepper, and I will put it in my bowl with half a pound of ground beef. I'm also going to add an egg and some seasoning, and then I will form it into little mini meatloaves and wrap them in 2 pieces of bacon each. I will preheat my oven to 425 and cook them for about 35 to 40 minutes until my internal temperature reaches 150, because that's how we like our meatloaf. And then I'll also show you how I put the summer salad together. For this salad, you will need some spinach, olive oil, what's this here sauce, apple cider vinegar, some sugar, strawberries, and red onion. You're going to clean and rinse your spinach, and then finally dice your strawberries and red onion. And then I used less. I halved her recipe because it's only for my husband and I, since my kids are really picky eaters. So I just halved the recipe, and this was really delicious, light, and it paired really well with a heavier meatloaf, and it was really tasty. So after you're done watching my video, please go check out Sarah's channel and also Debbie's, and then the rest of the playlist, which will be linked in my description box below. Thanks for watching. I hope everybody is staying happy, healthy, and safe. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.